You never had sriracha sex before?
Sriracha sex?
Sriracha sex?
What's that?
When you spray the sriracha on the nipples.
Wow.
Yeah, and on the clit.
Wow.
Yeah. Spice things up.
Spice.
Wild.
Wait, what?
Sriracha on the clit sounds dangerous.
That sounds like an Eastern thing.
Yo, and you been way too him, you been way too her, you been way too them, I been way too Joe. What you talking about? Doing me is all I know about. Do this again, and that's what I'ma do. You been way too him, you been way too her, you been way too them, I been way too Joe. What you talk about? Yeah, hey, doing me is all I know about.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Food, Booze, and Friends. This is episode 6. And today with me I have the House Full of Baes. I'm gonna have them introduce themselves, starting wherever you guys want to start.
Okay. So, hi, I'm Belinda at Bellicombe on Instagram and from Boston, Massachusetts.
I'm Wani at Wani.bang on Instagram from here, Providence, Southside. Gang, gang.
I'm Chantel on Instagram. I'm at Chantel Me Nothing.
I'm Bim on Instagram at Bim Baby with 2 Y's.
Where you guys from?
Well.
I was born and raised in Providence.
Cool.
So the blog is just pretty much like a lifestyle blog. We feel like we have, everyday conversations, everyday situations that we feel like, maybe other people are going through it too. And so we're like, yo, let's just document it and like let the people see what we're all about.
So it's like reality TV in blog form. We want people to see exactly what we're going through.
Yeah.
The blog is the concept of a house, so all of our content is separated by the rooms of the house, whether it be the living room, the bedroom, and each topic is in separate rooms. And so
mind you, we've had like the privilege of like also living with each other.
we actually lived together
for the past 2 years.
Yeah,
and I was
so
like, we got real comfortable. Like niggas would be in your bed coming from class.
Friends, we've been friends for a really long time, and it's
Friends
just
of
good
a
vibes,
family,
and we support each other. We're just black women doing our thing. Follow us at housefullofbaes.com.
Yes.
There we go. Alright, so we're gonna make margaritas. What kind of margaritas?
Really pretty pink margarita called the Don't Stop Pop That.
Don't stop! Fuck that pussy!
I'm gonna make shrimp cups. It's almost like a taco, but in the cup form. So they're gonna start us off with the margaritas. They'll bring you guys to that, and then we'll make some tacos. So.
First ingredient needs some ice.
We need some ice because nobody wants like.
I wasn't always a tequila girl, I must say.
I agree.
I love Hennessy. This Hennessy like forever, but it's very caloric. Like dark liquor is mad.
What about
way
like
more.
whiskey though?
Same. I feel like the lighter the liquor, the less the calories.
Yeah.
Even though all
Same like salad dressing and.
So
I'm just saying.
These are type to drown
we're just adding about a shot and a half of Casamigos. So I just recently started drinking Casamigos over Patron because it's way more smooth.
Casamiga, run us our money.
Like the only
first time drinking.
No, it's not good.
It goes down really smooth.
So like the only thing smoother is probably like 1942. Say it with me.
Contour.
Control.
Let me smell it.
So it's like an orange liqueur,
Half a shot?
Yeah, actually no. So I don't ever measure things. It's just by how I feel it in my spirit. Are you feeling it?
So let's put 2.
A little bit more.
You don't want too much of a liqueur.
So then my girl Rose put some lime juice, some Rose's lime juice, but then we're also gonna squeeze a lime because you need the realness. Ooh.
Realness. Juicy.
It got a little messy, a little juicy. To make it pop, we add the grenadine, but don't stop for that pink effect. That's good. Add a little bit more.
Is this story about?
No. What's on top? What happened to that? Here she is.
Oh, you add that after?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I shouldn't shake the bubbles because then it gets flat.
Yeah. Don't Blue Brown reminds me of like rap parties.
Yeah.
When we were young, Papa.
What's that other song?
song? I put my hand up on my head. When I did, you did, we did.
The easiest thing a dude has done or said to you to get their attention at a house party.
Oh, they kind of like push me like, let's do it. I'm like, do what?
What?
Pushed you.
Grab you in the bathroom.
What was the first of them?
There's levels though. Like you can't just feel like if you know what I mean. There's levels to it. Like random guy. If I know you were cool, I know you're.
And you do that, but you get them real quick. Right. It's not like you spaz out.
Step the boundaries and chill. It was like a little questionable.
You know, out of the launch, we had Bay Bingo, which was like pretty much you got to like we had cards. You went around, found people that like you had things on the card. You had to find people like who three or four countries in the year. We played that game. We did speed dating. So people got to get to know us and about the blog and things like that. And then speed dating was fun. Got some interesting questions. What's your favorite type of food to cook?
My favorite type of food to cook. I like to make steak, yo. I like my protein. Like a nice juicy ribeye steak after a workout too.
The real question is, how do you season your steak?
Ooh.
Salt and pepper.
That's it.
That's it.
So someone said it. Someone said it.
That's all you need.
Yeah, they said you only put salt and pepper. It's like very minimal, and it'll like literally like that's it. The shaker is very small.
It's very small.
So
Her shake is small.
not the real shaker. Let's interview you.
When was the last time you had stuff?
Technically this morning.
Why is it technically?
2 a.m.
Why is it technically?
You got a shorty?
No, I don't got a shorty now.
You single?
I'm single. But I got lady friends.
Okay. We was really in this speed dating thing at the launch, and someone stopped in front of me and was like, "When's the last time you had sex?" I was like, "Whoa, I was not expecting that."
Bruh.
But like a big thing that we want like to push is honesty.
Yeah,
we want to show that
the
listen,
realest.
the real. We want to show the real, like shit that we're going through. Like I know people say this all the time, but someone out there is going through it. So I feel like honesty is what's gonna stand us apart from other shit. We just really wanna.
Have you guys ever fucked in the bathroom during the party?
I've never done that.
My friend has.
You against it?
No. That's my man. She was my man in there. What's the worst? What's one more worse to have sex in? The shower or a car?
I hate shower sex.
The shower.
It's the same thing. I used to date somebody that was tall. It was a situation with like the tippy toes. I was like,
Yo, I fucked you in my shower one time. The shower curtain fell on us.
it was stupid, right? It was like the water takes away from what you got. That's just someone's cold in the back. Like the only water's only hitting one person. Give me a double-head shower. We can make something work.
It is much
I
fun.
used to have a Lincoln Town car.
Ooh,
It was like my family.
that's a
what I
living
haven't
room.
had it.
That is a living room.
So I loved having sex in that car.
Big car. In that car.
I
96.
couldn't move. I couldn't spread my legs.
Yo, it's so uncomfortable, man. But once you find that angle though,
Once you find it,
once you find it, when you got her all the way back to the floor and you in the back, like whatever.
A thing like that.
So what's your thing? What's your
I mean,
thing?
if I have to do what I have to do, she like no.
Like anywhere.
I'm like 112.
All right. I had to do in the car. Like you just gotta like sit. You know, this is my sexy ass man.
Mm-hmm.
Bang.
Bang.
Kind of gotta like.
This is Booze and Baes.
Booze and Baes. I like that.
Alright.
Ooh, somebody taking a big
Okay.
slurp. She's taking big slurps. I'm proud of you. It's alright.
This tastes like a bad decision in the summertime.
Yeah.
I like it.
You
Because
don't know what
because you don't taste the alcohol, but then
Creeps
you
up
know,
on
you
you.
saw how many shots she was pouring in those cups.
We're in Miami right now with this drink.
I feel it. I've never been to Miami, but I feel
You never been.
this is all I need. I don't even gotta go now. This is it. Alright, so y'all, we're about to make our shrimp cups now. So we have 3 different stations going on. We got the avocado salad, we got the shrimp seasoning, and then we got the tortilla station. They're gonna decide what stations they want to do. And we're about to get into it. Oh, she's gonna assist you.
I'm gonna do the
She's
shrimp
gonna do the
with my
shrimp.
gloves on.
Alright, so this is real quick to cook. So we're just gonna have the tortillas inside the oven. It's already preheated to 375. We're gonna butter the tortillas, cut them up into quarters,
You got that big?
and then put them into the muffin holes to get the shape of the cup. Yes, just quarters.
Just give me gloves.
No gloves?
Give me gloves.
You don't have adobo?
No glove, no love. What, you trying to throw dough on there? Okay. She read the ingredient list and was like, this ain't ethnic enough. Okay, this is the seating right. Yo, don't eat. Just like Shawana. Alright. Well, tell us how to open up an avocado. So what do you do for the millennials? Because, you know, they be cutting
I never
hands.
ate them. Like, I don't eat avocado.
I don't eat them as much either.
I love
avocado.
Wait, you
Like-
eat it just like that out of the thing?
I put like salt and pepper.
She's legit
Everything
Haitian.
seasoned
Yes.
in from Trader Joe's.
You are Haitian as hell, cause yes.
I love
That's what we
avocado.
eat.
You use butter on the pan? In the pan or oil?
So we're gonna butter it straight to the tortilla. I'm gonna use oil for
Do
this.
you have
So we need
a
24
bowl
slices.
for me to put the?
Yes, this is your bowl right here.
That was quick.
That was only 3 seconds.
Wow.
It seemed like a long time, right?
Right.
It seemed like 3 minutes.
Right.
That was 3 minutes, I'm sorry. She's like, damn, 3
It was
seconds.
not 3 seconds.
Yeah, we were
All right, so question. So how you guys feel about like, you know, women always cooking? Do you guys feel like a man should cook in the house?
Yeah.
It'll be like sometimes.
You guys like men cooking?
I mean, if it's not your man's, like, it's not his specialty. I'm not forcing nobody to do something.
Some guys don't know how to cook. So.
And then
But I don't mind cooking for my man, but sometimes you're like, oh, babe, I cook you.
Now, my pops used to cook, and we always have this thing like, Poppy could cook better than you. To my grandmother. My grandmother used to get tight. But my grandpa used to make this corn, yo, and I haven't had it since.
I put the Kanye pamper.
A little Kim Kardashian.
Cayenne pepper.
Cayenne pepper.
Yes.
Paprika.
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 Oh, what you got?
Put chili powder.
Chili powder.
She's killing my
I
eyes.
put adobo.
Oh, no.
What's the difference between the blue cap, the red cap, the green cap?
So the red cap is like pepper.
Exactly. This is my first time. This is without pepper. I put brown.
So like I think
I was
green
gonna
is
push
with
it out
cumin
though.
and then red is
And
with.
put salt. And I actually,
Yeah.
I squeezed some lime in it. I actually like how it came out. I put lime.
Like this, I was gonna cut it up.
I don't usually like cumin because it's like very overpowering.
It's very strong. You gotta.
So
Yo,
strong.
cumin is strong as fuck.
Cumin can take over a whole cumin like this.
Yeah, I
Yo,
know
it can take.
Cumin will
I
relax.
just put a little bit.
Yeah, good. I'm glad.
Come on.
Cutting and seeding.
Right?
Yo, when you make this shit, you have to seed it. Because when you eat that shit, everybody's gonna be spicy as fuck. You do not want that. Because you're gonna be sweating.
That's the point.
I learned that lesson twice.
I like
The
that.
shorty.
Yeah.
Stale salad.
The jalapenos.
No, let me set up.
Probably goes in there.
Garlic? Yeah, we didn't need garlic. Yeah, this is the avocado salsa.
Talk to him.
But I've never really like
Butter in there.
butter
No,
in
see, no, I think you see
I just tortilla.
wrong.
Suave. Suave.
Oh shit. Let me make sure. I heard you.
Oh, you can see some real as fuck. Oh, so we should probably, are those tortillas done? Let's put them in the oven. We should get them done. We should get those in the oven before we start sauteing because they cook the fastest.
Wait, what?
Yeah, let's put the
The
things
tortillas in the oven. Because they take the longest.
All right. So, House Full of Baes. What are some qualities you look for in men? Let's talk about it.
Funny.
I love
You gotta be funny.
Yeah, I love funny.
You gotta be spontaneous, like willing
I
to
love
like,
spontaneous.
try new things.
I love someone that's just doing their thing.
A patient guy, like with it with everything, and with me, with my girls, with my family, like get down to open
Yes.
to things.
Yes.
Okay.
Honestly, like I just know I'm not gonna find the perfect person. I know that. That's a fact. Like people out there looking for the perfect man. I'm not looking for the perfect man. Like I got issues my damn self. Like
Right.
how am I looking for perfect if I'm not perfect? So
I ain't got no type.
exactly.
That is the only thing that I like.
That looks real good. Look at the sizzle on that. Go ahead, boo. Go ahead.
Got your little tank.
Hey.
Ooh, they got bird.
Ooh. Hey, man, that's perfect.
That's just right.
Take it out.
There you go. Ooh. Yeah, that's perfect.
Rubber gloves though.
Perfect. Ooh, you guys are cooks on her.
Y'all cooking.
This shit is lots of ways to live, man.
Mm-hmm.
Like, this is the main
Look at the wrist. Talk to him.
Look at the wrist.
Hey.
Look at the wrist.
Hey. That's it.
Food before sex or sex before food?
Mm.
I don't know. It depends. I'd rather do sex and then food.
Yeah.
Right? Then
That's what he going for.
Yo, Brandon. Yo, B.
That's exactly
Sex before food or food before sex? Talk
Sex
to him.
before food. Yo, you know what I'm saying? You ate, you got so full, and you're fucking
Yeah.
like, that shit's coming up like this.
And you smash it.
Making tortilla
Exactly.
chips still?
Would you like to make tortilla chips?
Yes.
All right, we're making tortilla
For the
chips.
we're at Mad Guacamole.
Oh, let's go.
Finish.
No disrespect.
It's like when he's spreading his
no
ass
disrespect
like.
to anybody that prays, but I just feel like that's just when it takes it over to another level. Like, like it has me questioning you. Like, wait,
Sounds
why are you
suspect.
asking
Sounds
for your
suspect.
asking?
It's the
But
ass.
personally, me, I'm not going
No pun intended.
no one's ass.
It's the-
I'm
it's the
sorry.
ass.
I'm not going there. No man's ass.
You can't ask to get your ass ate.
I'm like,
Exactly. I won't ask no nigga to eat
And
my
no
ass,
assing.
and I'm not eating nobody.
Right.
No,
Sorry.
the only time I'll ever eat a girl's ass if we both hop out the shower fresh, like in the same night together. I ain't eating no girl's
No,
ass.
gracias. Goddamn, that shit got
Okay.
dark real quick.
After all that,
Alright,
see,
let's
I'm-
do this.
I'm getting kind of hungry.
Yeah. After all the acting, he said,
My butt is kind of hot.
Oh. Your butt is
You near the oven.
It's your butt top from the oven. It's from the conversation.
Yeah,
You made a healthy amount.
yo, and you been way too him, you been way too her, you been
got
way
shower
too him, I've been way too Joe.
Put the scrimp on it. Put the scrimp on it.
Me is all I know.
This looks way too good.
taco bowls of
You been way too him, you been way too her.
friends and food.
Yeah, hey, doing me is all I know about.
Food,
Boo-boos and friends.
You guys are officially friends now.
We talk shit.
I don't walk like you.
Good tuna, guys. Turned out good.
Yeah,
so good.
It's just easy to make, but we took like 3 hours to do this.
I have Asians in like Cambodians
From a
and
small town, I don't know the silver spoon.
I want to know.
The gun talk.
No, and men too.
Don't you hear it?
I don't know, fuck the Cambodian
That real
man.
shit
No.
for your spirit. Around the skirts.
I fought one Cambodian girl, and it was the worst sex of my life.
Now you wanna do
She
shit.
was so loose.
Now I'm got a second from the industry.
You would think opposite, right?
Go ahead and miss me with that shit. They say everybody
When you want something done,
this on my life. I be Joe until they pick up the casket.
She was like, you better be home.
Remember who you think of the
I
trash.
don't even know.
Cause them the niggas that be
Look
sending
at that
you
fucking
back.
English
You been
movie,
way
though.
too damn, been way too.
I can't blame myself.
Way too
I'm about to
damn,
have
been way
You
too.
gotta eat. Gotta see you eating.
Is all I know about.
That's how you know it's good, but nobody's talking.
Been way too high, you been way too damn, I've been way too Joe. What you talking about? They doing me is all I know.
Yo,
Levels you ain't reached.
I'm impressed. Thank you.
Hey, you look like it's coming on.
All fat.
The bottom of my margaritas.
For the face.
Yo, we didn't
Yo,
lie.
we about to hit Passion Lounge after
People
this.
that you rock with.
Smoke weed and start a fight.
Cute. I've been trying to say the word. You've been saving for a cool.
Passion,
Aiming
took it
for the
back.
stars. You've been
Joe
aiming for
Biden.
the
Little
moon.
ratchet.
Said I'm going for
Talk about
it.
eating
You've been
etiquette.
asking where to shoot.
We out
You've
to
been
dinner.
ready
Like,
to
how do you guys
die.
do?
I don't
Fart in
know.
front of your man.
I know,
Fart in
but
front of your
because I
man.
feel like
You've been way
Do whatever
too
with it, man.
I've been way
We
too
gonna love
Joe.
you.
What you
I think
talking
about now, like
And he's gonna.
Doing me is all I know.
gonna fuck you regardless.
You know what that dudes that's turn up for your good fart.
I don't know.
Way too
I hate niggas who act like, do you fart? Like, nigga, what you think this is?
Wait.
I just don't like when my
Girl fart?
Yeah, and that's what I'ma do. If
not
you
ready.
thinking
Girl fart?
bullshit,
Stop
then
it.
be quiet. If you thinking bullshit, then keep quiet.
She don't. She gotta do it. True.
I take and we riot.
Oh my God.
I heard this story.
She takes shits on a white man's time on the clock.
Not never, no way. Keep it cool, keep it real.
definitely
keep
did.
it
I'm taking that shit during period
labels,
3.
pimp these rappers so hard all day, so you can't listen to
Yo, House Full of Baes. We know how to
Oh,
eat.
wait.
We also know how to get in the gym. Thank God.
Yeah,
No.
cause
Thank you's all around. We know how to eat.
Shrimp cook.
A house full of baes.
It's lit.
my honey.
From Joe.
you